Welcome back, viewers. Thanks for tuning in to yet another update from Jamaica Drone Shots. Today, we're looking at one of the most exciting construction projects happening on the island, the Pinnacle, which, when complete, will be the home to Jamaica's tallest buildings. Right here, we're checking out the foundation of the second of 4 towers, this one called the Canary. Work is actively underway on the pile foundation. One strip of driven piles has already been secured with a concrete strip, while other pile heads are currently being cleared in preparation for concreting. Solid progress here. We now take a look at the leisure deck, a key lifestyle feature of this development. Construction crews are busy laying out the groundwork for what will likely be an elevated amenity space. Not likely be, it will be an elevated amenity space for residents and the guests alike. This is where luxury and the functionality will meet. Let's take a look at the structure that's capturing everyone's attention, the Swallowtail Tower. It has already climbed to the 13th floor on its way to 28 floors in total. It's truly incredible how quickly this tower is rising. What's even more fascinating is seeing the workforce in action, coordinated, precise, and focused. we continue our close-up look at the Swallowtail Tower, and this time we're bringing you even closer than ever to the men on the job. Literally, the hands behind this mega project. From steelwork, carpentry, and piping to setting up decking boards, these professionals are working tirelessly to bring this vision to life. Yo, now look here. Take a look at this brave worker positioned right on the edge of this building. It's a job that definitely isn't for the faint of heart. Thankfully, you can see he's securely strapped into a safety harness, a crucial lifeline in case of any slips. Let me ask you this. Would you ever take on a job like this, working at these heights? Drop your answer in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Moving now to the commercial center, and things are really shaping up. This facility is getting a fresh look with plastering now at an advanced stage, and more windows have been installed since our last visit. This part of the project is scheduled to open in July of this year, and it's already looking like a game changer for the area.
Whatever you do, don't forget me, 'cause you never left my mind, not once. Yeah, every touch my heart goes bumping. Baby, I can't get over you, I can't. Oh, you make me feel good, gonna make you mine, baby.
And this brings us to the end of this update on the Pinnacle Development. It's always inspiring to see a project of this scale taking shape right here in our very own Jamaica. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and of course subscribe for more aerial updates. And as always, thanks for watching Jamaica Drone Shots, where we take you above and beyond.